The 52-inch Raina is an indoor-outdoor ceiling fan with an onion-style light kit that is perfectly suited for large rooms and covered patios. We'll show you how to install the fan with step-by-step instructions. If you would like to skip ahead to a specific part of the installation, pause the video and use this menu for reference. Otherwise, continue watching for the complete installation guide. If you feel that you do not have enough electrical wiring knowledge or experience, have your fan installed by a licensed electrician. Installation requires an installed ceiling outlet box that is UL listed and acceptable for fan support of up to 35 pounds. You will also need a step ladder, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, electrical tape, and about 1 hour to install the fan. With your equipment ready and your new ceiling fan unpacked, you can now begin the installation. Before getting started, turn off power at the breaker. First, prepare the canopy by twisting and removing the canopy ring. Remove the 2 non-slotted mounting bracket screws. Loosen the remaining 2 slotted screws. The hanger bracket can now be removed. Prepare the motor coupling by removing the clevis pin and cotter pin. Loosen the 2 collar set screws. On the hanger ball downrod assembly, loosen the set screw on the hanger ball. Lower the ball off the downrod and remove the cross pin. Next, assemble the fan by feeding the motor's wires through the downrod and threading it onto the motor's collar. Align the holes on the downrod with the holes on the collar. Then insert the clevis pin and cotter pin. Tighten the 2 collar set screws. Slide the coupling cover, canopy ring, and canopy onto the downrod. Then carefully reinstall the hanger ball. To attach the mounting bracket, loosen the 2 screws in the ceiling box and pass the supply wires through the center hole. Then slide the bracket into place over the screws and tighten them securely. Carefully bring the fan up to the ceiling and slide the hanger ball into the hanger bracket to hold it up. The tab on the mounting bracket will need to align with the groove in the hanger ball. Now you can make the electrical connections. Combine the ground wires from the ceiling box, downrod, and hanger bracket together. Then connect the white wire from the motor to the neutral wire in the box. Finally, connect the black fan wire and the blue light wire from the motor together with the hot wire from the box. If your box has 2 hot wires to control the fan and light separately, connect the black wire that controls the fan to one hot wire and the blue wire that controls the light to the other hot wire. Wrap electrical tape around the connections to hold the wires in place. Then tuck them neatly inside the box. Assemble the canopy by sliding it up to the ceiling and twisting it into place over the 2 screws on the hanger bracket. Insert the removed screws and tighten all 4 securely. Slide the canopy ring over them and twist to lock into place. The fan is now properly mounted, and the rest of the fan body is ready to be installed. Install the fan blade by aligning it over the 3 pegs on the blade arm. If the blade holes do not align, flip the blade and try again. Place a medallion over one of the blade holes and twist it until it aligns flush against the blade. Insert a screw through the top side of the blade arm and tighten it securely. Install the remaining 2 screws and medallions. Repeat the process for the remaining blades. With the fan blades attached, you can now install the light kit. Remove one of the screws from the mounting ring and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the mounting plate up to the fan and align and twist the plate over the loose screws. Insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Remove one of the mounting plate screws and loosen the remaining screws. Bring the light kit up to the fan. Connect the 9-pin connectors. Align and twist the light kit over the loose screws, then insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Install the included LED light bulb. Remove one of the glass frame screws from the light kit and loosen the remaining 3 screws. Bring the glass shade up to the fan and align and twist it over the loose screws. Insert the removed screw and tighten all screws to secure it in place. Slide the chains through the guide slots on the glass frame. Finally, clip on the pull chains and fobs. Power can now be restored at the breaker. The installation is complete and the fan is now ready to operate. The pull chains provide an easy way to control your fan speeds and light. Use the fan chain to change the fan speed. Each pull of the chain cycles through the fan's 4 different speed settings: high speed, medium speed, low speed, and off. Use the light chain to toggle the light on or off. Use the reverse switch to change the direction of the blade rotation. For warm weather, the fan will spin counterclockwise and push air downward to create a cooling effect. For cool weather, the fan will spin clockwise to cycle warm air off the ceiling. Note that the fan should be stopped before changing the direction of the blade rotation. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your brand new ceiling fan. Want more details or have any questions? Just call the customer service number in your owner's manual. Thank you for watching.